Hello guys, let me take this opportunity to welcome you back, whoever is watching in. Thanks for watching. I'm happy that we are still learning, and we're going to keep on learning and learning and learning. I'm Julius, still presenting to you the basic Excel tutorials, and still shall be getting more and more of these tutorials. Please don't forget, if you want more, you can call us or follow us on the numbers which may appear on your screen. This time we are going to be learning short if, the if statement, but a short one. The short if statement takes only two alternatives: right, wrong. It only takes two sides. It does not talk more. That's why it's called the if short statement. For example, if you have 10 students and you want to grade them, that if one got below 20, passed. If one got above 20, if one got below 20, failed, and if one got below above 20, passed. That's called the short if statement, and this is how it is applied. We are going to still use our table, our sheet, which is VLOOKUP, and we want it to reflect using average. Now let me say whoever got below 50, that is a fail, and whoever got above 50, that means that one passed. So we want for each student this one to be reflected, that whoever got below 50 failed, and whoever got above this one passed, just as it has been reflected here. So look carefully as we learn. So, but we are going to base on average. You can even base on total. You can even base on aggregate, depending on what you want or what you have been told to use. For example, if it happens to come in a paper. And this time, according to me, I'm going to use average. And later, maybe we shall use total. So, this is how it is written. Note carefully here. Begin with an equal sign. Then you put if. It's like you're asking, what if such and such a thing happens? What will result? So that's why it's called a statement. It's an if statement, that you're trying to scoop something from your work, that if such and such a thing happens, what does this happen? What is the result? What is this and this? So we shall say equals if, I open my brackets, if what? The logical test. The logical test now here, because you see here, the logical test is average. You put a comma. So what value do I want to return? Before I put a comma, I may just say if M4 is less than, sorry, I've used the wrong one, is less than or equal to, remember we are having 50, that means even that person who got 50 qualifies to fail. So that's why we say less than or equal to. The moment we say less than, that means the person who got 50 is eligible to pass. So after there, I put a comma. Then what is my statement, or what do I want to appear? What I want to appear, I put it in quotations like that, or quotes. Then if one has less than 50, what is supposed to appear? That means failed. I close. The reason why I put it in quotes is I'm trying to make it appear different, or it is a statement outside my formula. So it is different from what I'm writing as a formula. Comma, if that one failed, the rest will have to pass. That means passed. Then I close. So my formula is only going to return two values. You note here, if M4 is less than or equal to 50, that means failed. If they failed, then the rest will have to pass. If one gets above 50, that means he or she has to pass. pass. Then I press enter. Wow, this one passed. Let us do it one more time as we learn. We shall say equals if I open my brackets. Now this time I'm looking at this one. Sorry. I'm not looking at N5, I'm looking at the average. If my average is less than or equal to 50, comma, what do I want to appear? It's in quotes. That is passed. I close my quotes, comma. If not so, or if else, if those ones failed, then what happens to the others? The others will have to just no, sorry, this is failed. This is failed, not passed. Failed. Then if they failed, the rest have to have passed. Then I close my brackets, my quotations, and finally I close my bracket. The moment you close your bracket here, even this one will show you that it has closed. Then I press enter. This one also passed because she is above the mark, the pass mark. Let us see. Wow, this one failed because she has 48. This one also failed because she has 36. So I can just change around the words here. Instead of failed, I can say, instead of using failed, let me say repeat. That's what I want to. Then this one is passed. Then I press enter. This one passed. Let me scroll down and see. Wow, repeat because she has 56. We said below 60 or 50. Yeah, 60, yeah. So let me try to change this one to 50 and see. Passed. Yeah, we only get to get one person who is going to repeat. There are two because one has 48 and the other one has 36, but the rest are okay. I think we have learned that's the if statement, which falls for only two options. That is either right or wrong. Thank you for watching. Be with us next time as we learn the nested if, or the if which takes more than one alternative. Thanks for watching. Julius, KAWALYA, your tutor. Don't feel bad to subscribe and call us for more.